What's good, y'all? GS Flicks here again. We're outside here with Hidden Hills, and we're about to show y'all around the stuff they brought in. We got Peacock Rentals, and they brought their Rolls Royce. We have Voodoo collabed with Hidden Hills as well, so we have some of their clean little builds. We got this Aston Martin Vantage, and we have this McLaren, which I love. This is probably my favorite McLaren here. We have this Lamborghini Performante. We got Chris Voy here. This is his GT3 RS that he brought in. I'm about to show y'all how easy it is to just go up to somebody and network with them. For y'all introverts, I know this is hard, but it's the best way to put yourself out there and keep growing as a creator. So watch this. This is a cool rig. What camera is that?
It's a Canon R5.
Damn, that's crazy. That's a crazy build.
And then got some filters.
Yeah.
Gimbal and the little light.
You cool with being on IG? For sure. Damn, dude, look at that. That's a nice setup.
Yeah.
For sure. What was your name?
Joel.
Joel?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. It's G. Or Gerardo.
Gerardo?
Yeah, but
Nice
GS Flicks on IG.
Nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
nice to meet you, brother. That's good.
That's my car right there.
Where at?
Right there. That pink one.
Oh, the Supra?
Pink.
Or which one? The Supra, the Liberty Walk build?
Yeah.
That's sick.
Look, my little baby right here.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. That's sick. That's what's up. That's dope. We got these amazing wheels, these rims. They look insane on this wrap on this Ferrari. It's crazy. The purple and the white matches so well. Got a Lamborghini Urus. Hella successful meet today. Everybody's starting to dip, but we still finna be here. Voodoo honestly has some of the best exhaust I've seen in a minute. I honestly love how Voodoo does their designs. I love this all matte, this gold type of feeling. Honestly, hot take, the Aston Martin Vantage is one of the best V12s out there. A lot of people are going to say, oh, Lamborghini is the best V12. I mean, yes, it's nice, but if y'all don't know ball, dude, the Aston Martin Vantage has one of the best V12s out there. Dude, this murdered out Porsche looks crazy. The whole backside is low-key kind of destroyed. They're probably just building it in the meantime, but it looks Spark even came over here.